everybody, and welcome back to Pretty Healthy with Preetha. One of my earlier videos was on how to lose full body weight. In fact, you can click on this link and go and watch that video. But at the end of that video, there was a disclaimer that I laid, which was that, people who have diabetes, that is sugar problem, should not have that drink. So a lot of people had written to me saying that, okay, I have sugar problem. Can you have a series curated for me? So this video is dedicated for all those people who have sugar problem but who are desperately trying to lose weight. So who is the hero of today's episode? Green apple and kiwi. Let's see the ingredients for this drink. Green apple, kiwi, water and black salt. If you have pink salt, you can also use that. Let's see some of the benefits of these ingredients. The first ingredient, green apples. Generally, apples are a good source of antioxidants, fiber, water, and many other nutrients. Green apple especially is very, very good for weight loss. Kiwi is the next ingredient. It is loaded with vitamin A and C, and they also contain high dietary fiber. Many researchers have said that kiwi actually helps you in lowering your blood sugar levels. It's one of the best fruits for people suffering from diabetes. Now, there are certain combinations which work out really well. This is one such combination, green apple and kiwi. They boost the metabolism, it helps digestion. Also, it's very, very good to cleanse the gut. Due to the presence of an enzyme called acetindane, kiwi helps in digestion of proteins and breaking fat molecules, which eventually help in easing the bowel movement. So this combination drink is excellent when it comes together for weight loss. Add a dash of salt and we are good to drink. So those of you who do not like the seeds and all that, you can filter it and have it like this. But I like it just like this, the way it is. So, very nice. So, one important thing that I wanted to say was that while this drink is for full body weight loss and can be had by people with diabetes, in case these fruits cannot be procured very easily in your nearby store, there is another video that I'm going to be making with vegetables and fruits which can be easily procured. You can also follow that drink. But if these are available nearby, you can always buy them. When do you have them? Don't have them every day. You can have them at least 2 to 3 times in a week. And any routine of this kind, you need to follow it in a sustained manner for at least 3 months to see benefits, to see the results of this. You will definitely see it in 90 days time. You'll start to see it in 90 days time. So please don't break the routine. When to have it? The best time to have it is in empty stomach. However, let's say that you've had something else. When can you have it? You can have it before lunch when the tummy is like a little empty, or before dinner. So have it when the stomach is not already filled with a lot of food. Now, for any weight loss program, just a drink is not enough. Along with this, especially for people with diabetes, you need to really reduce your intake of carbohydrates. So please reduce your intake of food generally. Have it in a very balanced manner, as well as do some mild exercise like walking or any yoga or any other exercise. So juxtaposed with these 3 things, you will definitely see the results. If you liked this episode of Pretty Healthy with Preetha, please go to YouTube, like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and do click on the bell button. If you are on Facebook and watching this, please like and follow the Raghav Ranganathan page. And I'm also on Insta. You can go to the Preetha Raaghav Insta and also click on heart. This is Preetha signing off in Pretty Healthy with Preetha.